So if you want to have a stress-free, enjoyable, productive summer, there's one thing that you absolutely must not do, and that's what we're talking about today. So let's dive in. Diane of Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. I'm a routines coach and I'm helping you this year to simplify and thrive. And the summer is no exception. I know many of us, we look forward to the summer, we're going to get all these projects done, we're going to relax. But it doesn't always work out that way. So today I'm telling you the one thing that you must not do if you want to have an enjoyable, productive, stress-free summer. And of course, I've got you, I've got your back. I've got 7 strategies for making it work. And it's not a clickbait title because I make this video every year because I know we're all in the same situation. So let's get right into it. The one thing that you mustn't do is go into summer not having a plan. If you don't have a plan, nothing is going to happen. The first couple of weeks you'll feel, yeah, we can take it easy. And then fast forward to the end of summer, nothing, you haven't done anything, you haven't relaxed, you haven't had fun, it's all getting stressful. And whether you are single, whether you have 10 kids, whether you are retired, all these simple strategies are going to work for you. So let's dive into them. Number 1, I want you to take a pen, paper, notebook. You can do it online, however you like to make notes. Do a brain dump. Everything that you would like to do this summer. Maybe you are going on vacation. Maybe you want to clear out the garage. Maybe you want to go to a water park with the kids. Write down all these ideas. Get them out of your head and get them onto paper. Once we've got them down on paper, they're out of our head. We're just cleaning out the mental clutter. And doing a little brain dump, that just gives you a clear overview of what you need to get done and what you would like to get done. Okay, so you've spent a couple of minutes on that. Number 2 is we're going to plan the week ahead. And you know me, I always like to keep it simple. So taking your ideas from your brain dump, what do you need to get done this week? Do you have any activities with the kids? Do they have to be at a certain place at a certain time? Are you painting the garage? Do you need to go and buy supplies? And I always say, if it's not in the diary, it's not going to happen. Now, this is my Danish diary. It says "få det gjort," which means get it done. Your kid has a play date. You want to go to the farmer's market. You've got family visiting. Get it written down in the diary, and then you know what's happening for the week ahead. Everybody's on the same page. They know what's coming up. Right, tip number 3 is we're going to be keeping to some simple routines for you and the rest of the household. Things like regular meal times, because it's very easy at the beginning of the holidays to say, oh, you know, we'll just eat 2 hours later, 3 hours later. And you know what happens after a couple of weeks? You all start turning into zombies, or you're not getting out of bed at the same time every day. Just try and create some simple routines for your day. And I'll put up some visuals here of ideas that you might like to have in your routines. But remember, these are just ideas. Just go for the absolute essentials. And tip number 4 is to think about your meals in advance. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Because what we don't want to end up is having to always be running out for takeaway, for takeout food, ending up eating junk food all the time. But, you know, KISS, keep it simple, sweetie. In the summer, I keep things very, very simple. I will buy extra ready meals from the supermarket. Then I've always got them ready to go. You don't need to be cooking 3-course meals. Maybe you can buy a cooked chicken and a bag of salad from the supermarket. Just keep it very, very simple. If you can eat outside, even better, less clear up. And number 5, we're going to be talking about coming back into the house. Sometimes it can look like a bomb has gone off in the place because people are home, we're running in and out all the time. I would suggest that for your cleaning and for the housekeeping, again, you pare it right back. Don't worry about detailed cleaning. If you're doing the Flylady system along with me, don't worry about cleaning in the zones during the summer. Just stick with your basic weekly upkeep clean. You know, the 1 hour clean, 10 minutes on each task. only in the high traffic areas of your house. If you want more videos in depth about that, I've got lots of playlists. I'll put them up here and down below. Make sure that the kids are on board with helping. I've also got a little handy dandy list of how they can keep their rooms clean. But one essential thing for keeping the house on track during the summer is to do regular PUPAs. Now, P-U-P-A is pick up and put away. So essentially you're just going to set a timer, especially if you've got kids, they love to see the time counting down. And you're just going to pick up and put away things 3 times a week. I would suggest 3 times a day. When should you do that? I would say after breakfast, everybody helps to pick up and put away things. Before you have dinner, everybody helps to pick up and put away things. Maybe you've been playing with toys outside in the garden. Maybe you have been working on a painting project. Just 5 minutes, pick up and put away, and the same before you go to bed. And a stress-free summer tip number 6 is to accept help and ask for help. If you've got family who are coming to visit, if they offer to do things, let them help. Give them a little task that will lighten your load. That could be doing some chores, helping with the cooking. Same applies to the rest of the household. If you've got a project, cleaning out the garden shed, painting the garage, break the project down, find out when you're going to need help, who needs to help you, and be very clear. Be very clear with people. Say to the kids, okay kids, I'm going to need your help on Monday morning for 1 hour, and then the rest of the time you can go and do what you like. Everybody works much, much better when they know what is expected from them. And that's adults and kids. And then the last one, number 7, and you know what's coming here. If you follow my channel, you'll know that I am really big on the self-care, daily self-care. If you are feeling overwhelmed with the house, overwhelmed at work, overwhelmed with everything that's going on around you, you're probably not doing the daily self-care. And every week I give you simple self-care that you can do in 1 minute. I'll put some recent videos, I'll pop them up there. But take time for you every single day. And especially if you've got people staying with you, especially if the kids are home from school, I want you to carve out a few minutes every day where you can get time on your own. That can be as simple as just closing the door to the bedroom, putting on an eye mask and just taking a few minutes for you. So there we have it, 7 simple strategies for a stress-free summer. They're all, it's just common sense, but maybe some things that you hadn't thought about before. Do you have a special stress-free summer tip that you can share with the rest of us? Which one works for you? I know that for a long time, planning the meals, I thought, oh no, we're just going to wing it. That did not work. It brought in so much more stress, and I don't want you to have a stressful summer. I want you to be able to enjoy it, be productive if you've got some projects going on. And if you want more help, you know where to find me. I'm Diane in Denmark. I would appreciate a like, subscribe, sharing my video. And anyway, I'm going to get on with my day. I will see you later this week. There's a declutter video coming. And all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish summer hygge be with you. Wonderful weather here today in Copenhagen. And usually I do a rah-rah with my pom-poms, but we have the most amazing peonies in the garden right now. So rah, 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 and I'll see you very soon.